Stretch it out a little bit. Some cans.
Take two, Mark.
TruGreen and the PGA Tour share a commitment to agronomic expertise that can bring out the best in your lawn. Or for Collier, TPC golf courses.
Yes, and today, Matt and I are here to answer common turf questions to help you achieve a lawn you'll be proud of.
That was a good read. Things more annoying than weeds. Itchy sweaters, mosquitoes. Anyways, even though you likely won't notice weeds until they pop up, chances are they're already fighting your grass for light, water, and nutrients. The first line of defense is a thick, healthy turf, followed by a pre-emergent to get after them before they sprout.
Of course, timing is everything with pre-emergent, as it works to halt weeds in the germination phase. At some of our courses in the south, we'll apply a pre-emergent in the fall to prevent annual bluegrass weeds. While in the north, pre-emergent is applied in the spring before the soil temperatures get to 55 degrees.
Even with these treatments, a post-emergent weed control will likely be needed to target broadleaf weeds such as dandelions one by one. This will help deliver that 1-2 punch to help knock out many types of weeds. You scared me there. Scared myself.